Hey everyone, welcome to Live here at Len Busch Roses. I'm Georgia Edgington, lead designer here at Len Busch. And
I'm Kristin Thomas, and I'm marketing coordinator here at Len Busch. And we just thought, it's a snowy day. Yep. Let's go and talk poinsettias. It's just like a perfect fit, yes. Right? We're not thrilled that it's snowing outside.
Oh gosh, no, don't take us wrong on that one. No. We are not thrilled, but...
No. But if we're gonna have snow, let's talk poinsettias. Sure. And we were just looking at the ceiling and realizing in the greenhouse you can see snow already resting on our greenhouses. Yeah. So glad we're not outside today.
Yep. I was going to say, Kristin, why are we on the hay wagon today? But
yeah, look outside and you'll know exactly why. So
hopefully, maybe we'll be back out there next week, because this is Minnesota. The weather does this kind of thing. You don't know. If you don't like the weather, stick around. It'll change. We're in Minnesota, right?
Yeah, so, totally. Yeah. No, well, it is. Even though none of us are super excited about Christmas yet, right? But I mean, there is something that's so beautiful about coming in these greenhouses and seeing these poinsettias. I mean, we're kind of drooling a little bit, weren't we?
We are. It's gorgeous. So, we're here to talk about poinsettias, so stick around for a couple of minutes because they are beautiful, even in this green state. So, we've got some fun information for you, some facts here.
Fun facts.
First of all, how many poinsettias do we have growing, Kristin?
100,000. Crazy number.
Yes.
How many greenhouses? 14?
Between 14 greenhouses. Right now we are at like 85% max
of all of our greenhouses. Poinsettias. Yeah.
Anywhere from 2-inch to 14-inch, right?
Well, no, the 10-inch.
The 10-inch?
10-inch, which are right in front of us. These are actually the 10-inch.
Yeah. So we
4 different sizes.
We grow on reds. We go kind of a burgundy, white,
pink, kind of a couple novelty ones.
Novelty where it's like a bicolor, red and white, which is beautiful, I think.
Agreed.
Sometimes we have. Are we growing the plugs this year that are like a red, a white?
Oh, good Lord, girl!
I don't know.
Yes.
And then we
Sarah
sprinkle.
Bacon, if you're watching.
Yeah. Then
Let
we
us
sprinkle. We glitterize and we spray, so you get the coppers and the blues.
Yes.
Just all of those fun novelty colors. Yeah.
Hey
everybody, thank you so much for watching.
So anyway, we can walk a little bit, but we wanted to tell you some of those things. It takes 8 to 10 weeks, I guess we were told, to color them. Yep. And we have to kind of cheat a little bit here because they need short days to color. And so Northern Lights is our other greenhouses. That's where we grow most of our blooming plants. And they actually have ways to be able to fake the days.
Right. So
make them shorter.
How do we cheat? What does it mean, cheat, Kristin?
Cheat. So I was told that we have like those black cloths that come across, and so that can obviously create an early night or early darkness.
And they come across the plants.
They do. Yeah.
Right.
They kind of,
so they kind of
they're not laying on them.
They're not laying on them by any means. We have a nice system where they just hover above.
Yeah. So that's the fake night.
Yes.
And then there's a time where we need to say, slow it down a little bit. We need you guys to stop coloring up so fast, and so then they flick the lights on. So
we brighten things up so they think it's day, and then they, longer day, a little less color at that point. So that
sorry, go ahead.
No, and part of the reason we do that is because we live here in Minnesota. We've got to work within our climate and within our weather conditions. Right. So we have to find those creative ways to make sure that we're getting you, the customer, and the consumer, just an absolute perfect poinsettia
at the right
time for the holidays, when you want it.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So there is a lot that goes into it, a lot of this planning.
Oh my gosh, those growers, I don't know how they do it. They're super smart.
Yes, but poinsettias, they're beautiful, they're perfect right now. It's just this green is even pretty, but I can't wait for color.
No, I agree.
It's going to be amazing in a few weeks.
Well, and Sarah, you might want to show, because the reason why we chose this greenhouse, this is where our tulips grow, by the way, after poinsettias. But I mean, look at this mass of poinsettias here. The 10-inch are over here on our right, and then we decided we think the 7.5-inch are across the aisle here.
And look at that. I don't know if they can see it, Sarah. Way down there is that lime green. It's just a gorgeous green. It's going to be perfect for Christmas.
And no, the poinsettias aren't lime green. We feel that they're going to be our white.
The leaves. Right now,
the foliage is kind of more that
lime green. It's probably, like Kristin says, probably going to be a white poinsettia, but it's just, the foliage is beautiful. I just love that we have those different depths of green that are available.
Agreed. Yeah. So anyway, moving kind of on from poinsettias to something more for the holidays, right?
Yep. Speaking of the holidays and Christmas, you know that part of our job, what we're trying to do for you, the customers, to make your job easier in the store at the time of the holidays when you are so busy. Not only do you have holiday orders, but you've got everyday orders. Funerals will still happen, weddings will still happen, birthdays will still happen, events will be happening. So how do you balance all of that? Well, part of our job is to help you get that work done, to help you balance that. So just to draw attention to a couple of the pre-greened items that we have for you. We've got the 8-inch greens basket. And what's really nice about the 8-inch greens basket is you're going to take this from, first of all the greens are done. It's a great basket. It's beautiful. It's ready to go. It's fresh. You've got a variety of greens in here, trending greens that are really big right now.
Okay.
Your job,
Sorry, yeah. So I'm just saying, jumping in a little, I'm sorry, but those of you in the flower shops right now, you know what a pain in the butt it is to use Christmas greens and to green all your containers. Oh my. I mean, the mess, your hands being stained for weeks, the cutting of everything is so time consuming. So let us do that work for you. So you take that basket, you order in pre-order just like that, you take that basket to this. Your job is to simply put the embellishments, the flowers, and whatever you want into the basket. Before and after.
Before and after. So this is what you get from us. This is what you take it to. We make your job easy. Half the work is already done. More than half the work is done because the pitsy part is doing that.
Yes,
the
I agree. And oh my gosh.
And I know it smells so good. I know.
Okay, I'm a little bit excited for Christmas. A little bit.
And another pre-green item we have is the round green bowl with the candle. So this is already pre-greened for you. But what I really want to draw your attention to on this bowl is the fact that this year we are using an eco-friendly bowl. And what's really neat about this is it's all made in the USA. Everything that goes into this bowl, there's 30% less plastic, and it's been made with maple particles.
I love that. That's so
and
cool.
You can eat out of this bowl. The fun thing is you can say to your customers it's an eco-friendly bowl, biodegradable, but your customers actually can take this home and they can actually eat out of it.
I love that.
It's a friendly bowl. It's just really
great choice on your team's part to move to these containers, I think.
Yes, absolutely. So it's a dual purpose bowl, and it's just a wonderful piece to use. And it's a nice bowl. It's really actually very pretty. So, but you're still getting, on top of this beautiful bowl, lovely greenery that you're going to get into the store with the candle, because we ship the candle as well. You're going to embellish it the way you want with flowers, and into your cooler, out the door for your customers.
And Georgia, how soon can our customers be?
They want to pre-order now, but the same with your poinsettias. You want to be pre-ordering these things now.
Can we have them for Thanksgiving, or is it going to be a post-Thanksgiving?
No, we start doing the green baskets and the green bowls. We start doing for Thanksgiving, so they've got them in their stores right away the next day to switch over to Christmas.
Love it. So speaking of, I don't know, busyness, because Christmas is busy. We have a busy week this week.
We do. Oh my heavens.
I mean, I feel like with the snow and all, but we're still like going gangbusters. So
tomorrow is Pedal It Forward campaign, which I know many of you are participating in. And yay, go Pedal It Forward. I'm so excited because that is a near and dear campaign to my heart. And real quickly, in a nutshell, Pedal It Forward is an event that we've been part of from that the Society of American Florists established 6 years ago. And I'm sure many of you are members of the Society of American Florists, so you're probably aware of Pedal It Forward. And like I said, some of you are participating, but we go into the communities and we give out flowers, our local communities. And as a flower shop, you give out flowers. As a consumer, maybe you're on the streets tomorrow somewhere here in Minnesota, and you'll get a random person walking up to you giving you 2 bouquets of flowers. And the gist behind Pedal It Forward is that we're just bringing hearts, smiles to hearts, and to faces. We're presenting 2 bouquets to a recipient. One is for them to keep, to feel that feeling of what it brings to
the
you.
Power of flowers.
Receive flowers. It truly is. It's very powerful on our emotions. And then the second bouquet is for that recipient to pedal on. To pass on, to give to somebody. It can be a loved one, somebody they work with, a random stranger, which I love. I love that when you just give it to somebody that is you don't even know. That really shows the gentleness in your heart and the caring.
Agreed.
So, I'm really excited, and we'll be in Maple Grove tomorrow.
With masks on.
With masks. Make sure you're COVID friendly and that you're doing what we need to be doing right now to protect one another. Pedal It Forward's tomorrow, so that's been a big part of my last month.
It's very exciting.
Planning for that. And it is
those of you who are involved, share your stuff on social media, and we'll do the same.
Hashtag Pedal It Forward. Make sure you're sharing your pictures, because we want to be able to connect that.
I agree.
And there's 46 states participating, and a couple countries, and Canada, a few countries in Europe, and as well. So it's really, this is a great organization that is just, this event has just blossomed through the years.
And we all need it this year, right? We need something for a pick-me-up.
We do. This has been a long 7 months of COVID dealing with this, and this is a great time to really have something that really will lift our spirits.
Agreed. So
what else
make
is
sure.
Going on?
We also have another live on Thursday. Our LBR Educates with Sandy. She is been teaching you to different elements of design and all of that. And so she had a broken leg. So she's probably going to be back on Thursdays doing a live at 5 o'clock. So that's something too exciting. And we've got something else exciting coming up in the next week or so. So watch our social media for that.
So you're teasing right now.
I'm teasing. Yeah. It's LBR talks,
Something.
Yes. We'll be sending some stuff on some emails.
Great.
So,
yeah.
Anyway,
so there you go.
Share, like, love, do all your fun stuff.
Yes, please love everything.
Make sure you pre-order the poinsettias, and if you're a consumer, make sure you're buying poinsettias. This is a year to have, everyone should have something pretty in their house to look at.
Yes, we absolutely need that. But thanks for watching. Please like us and
week.
share us. And thanks, everybody.
Take care.